back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
All righty, the green flag is out. Good start for the 115 of Cody Duncan. He's going to head off into turn number 1 with the lead. Running second, I believe that's going to be the, oh, little contacted 3 out of 4 right there. As the 10 car and Blusher and the 30 car of Mills made a little contact. Coming around to complete lap number 2, starting lap 3 right here. Cody Duncan out front, Blusher then Mills. Marshall Stennett back in the 4th spot. Levi Wilbarger running 5th. Side by side there for the 2nd spot. Little contact going into turn number 3. Well, we have a new 2nd place car. That's the 30 car of Mills. Oh, got a little bit more contact at turn number 1. They're able to get away with no harm, no foul. Braden Mills will stay 2nd. Coming around to the white flag this time, 1 lap to go in the mini wedge. Does Braden Mills have anything for Cody Duncan? Cody Duncan's been out there all by himself for the whole race, but that 30 car of Mills is trying to reel him in. Coming out of turn number 4, your first feature win of the night is going to go to the 115 of Cody Duncan. Braden Mills 2nd, Stephen Lusher 3rd. Still waiting for the 23 of Stennett. It's going to come around and finish in the 4th spot. And we'll keep our eyes on the C19 of Wilbarger. He's coming around. And he's going to finish in the 5th spot. Y'all give him up for your mini wedges. Cody Duncan's down there, Victory Lane, getting ready to hop out. First feature winner tonight. Legend cars, your hot lap qualifying is next. Legend cars, you need to be in staging. Your hot lap qualifying is next. Pro late models, you'll be after them. Cody Duncan's getting his helmet off, getting ready to hop out of that mini wedge down there. Give it up for the 115 of Cody Duncan. Gets the feature win tonight in mini wedge. He's going to step out in front of the car, get a couple of victory lane pictures right there. Next Legend cars, and to be in staging. It's time for hot lap qualifying. Next Legend cars, and to be in staging. It's time for hot lap qualifying. Pro late models, you need to be getting ready. Pro late models, you need to be getting ready.